What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Arbitrum on Coinbase. So what we will do is log into our accounts, and after that you will arrive at this Coinbase homepage. Now we simply click on the buy and sell option right on top, and after that you will see this overview. So the first step we can do is select the purchase frequency. As you can see, if I click on it, there are different options. You have a daily one, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly option. For now, I will leave it on a one-time purchase. And you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use to buy your assets. I'm using €2 for now. After that, you can select the asset which you want to buy. Click on it and the search bar will appear. And now we fill in ARB. As you can see, the coin will appear and we will select it. After that, you can select the wallet you would like to use to pay with. I'm using my Euro wallet because I'm living in Europe, but if you use another currency or you live in another region or country, then just select it and the available payment methods will be appearing in this list. If you don't see any options, you simply can add a payment method by clicking on the button below. After that, it will appear in this list and you can select it. So we head back to the menu and there you will see the review order button. If we click on that, then it will show us some information about the purchase which we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 1.15 coins and I'm paying €1.01 for the coins. The Coinbase fee is a little bit higher, that is 99 euro cents. In total, we are spending the €2 we have filled in the previous overview, and they also give us an option to invest on a weekly base. We don't want to do that, but if you would like to purchase this amount every week at the same moment, just select it and you can cancel it at any time. For now, we will click on buy now, and after that, the amount of coins will be added to our wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.